Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Sharing on Crypto. Okay, so we did it again. I think the price successfully reached our target last week and consolidate below. Okay, this is what we drew last week. So as always, we take a look at the chart first. So last week we drew this two different potential different path. Okay, so obviously now the market has take the second path. So now we can remove this one. So okay, so we got resistance right here. Now price correction below, healthy correction, down all the way to FIB 0.618. It's a little bit lower than I thought, but it's all right, all good. And consolidate here for a few days. Now it's ready to get back for the second part of the rally. And I think now I think we can remove this Fibonacci and so remember, our target since the early December, it has always been, again, let me emphasize this again. If we look at the volume profile, it's always been this, always been here, always been this volume profile gap right here. And now we have a parallel channel. So a perfect overlay on each other. So this is our target. Eyes on the top of the parallel channel and also this volume profile gap, okay? So once we reach there, the price will start to run into heavy resistance. I think should be around, we need to zoom out a little bit. Okay, zoom out a little bit, should be right here around 100K area. And also I keep mentioning, like, if we look at the Keltner channel, this area, this upper inner band of Keltner channel also overlay at this area as well. See, a perfect overlay at this golden triangle, golden pocket I draw. Okay, so be very, very careful. We're going here this week. Okay, we'll definitely get here this week. Okay, this is the target. So once we reach there, personally, once we reach there, I think the price will start to retrace. We will start to have bigger correction. My theory would be, this is the halftime for the bear market, and we'll continue the second half of the bear market, which is going more down, probably all the way to 65K, 60s. I'm not sure, but this is possibility number one, which is the bear market scenario, total bear market. And scenario number two is we don't have a bear market, but we still have a correction. How deep will the correction be? If we check, historic pattern, go away. So if we check historic patterns, normally if we consolidate below, usually this Keltner channel on 3-day time frame, this inner lower band will be the potential support. So scenario number two will be, we're running to this. This will be, we will consolidate here and continue up. Scenario number two, let's make it, I think it's less likely right now. Really not very likely. So I encourage you guys, just, pay attention to the green line instead of the white line, or the white path. So potential support right here. So, okay, let's zoom in back to 12-hour again. So this is what I think is going to happen after we reach 100K. We will, consolidate. We will again consolidate here and coming down. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. So just draw right here. So this what I think is going to happen. Well, we will reach 100K. I think in this week, or maybe in the middle of the next week, we will reach here, and then we will correct heavily. Okay, so this is, let me mark this. This is scenario number one. This is scenario number two. Okay, scenario number one, scenario number two, path one, path two. Okay, so that's pretty much about the chart. There's nothing more I can add really. If you look at the trend line, there's nothing I can draw really. I already gave you the volume profile check, parallel channel check, and Fibonacci, I don't think we're going to need Fibonacci right now. We already overlaid three different, from three different aspects. It all perfectly overlay on this area. Okay, so I think the last thing we need to check is the momentum. So let me close my drawing real quick. So let's check the momentum on the market right now. Let's start. I don't think there. If we look at 12-hour, you see the RSI is already above the orange moving average. So I don't think there's a need to check the lower time frame below. Of course, it's all already crossing up. So let's just focus on 12-hour above. Okay, 12-hour looking good. I think next we're going to do is start crossing up the blue moving average. Okay, we start pumping up. And you also, if you look at the DI indicator, is crossing up as well. It's already above the moving average, so it's all good. It's all good. And check on the old time frame, all looking good, all looking okay. Start to showing momentum, start showing some money flow. Okay, but not the 3-day and 1 week. 3-day above, still not looking good. Okay, let's moving on to the daily. If we look at the daily, okay, looking good as well. This perfect healthy correction didn't, crossing down the blue moving average, so you cannot drag it down. So that's what we like to see. We like to see the RSI stay above this blue moving average. This is important for us on the daily. Okay, let's move to today. Today looking okay. Okay, so all the move ranges are in the middle. Okay, so showing signs of no one is really taking control. Maybe the bulls are in control right now, just a little bit, but not very significantly. So on the 3-day looking okay. Okay, it's tracking all the moving averages above. Start crossing up the 40. So I think the only important high time frame we need to look at is 2-day, 2 week. So remember I mentioned that every time if we are in a bear market, that this orange moving average will be dragged down below 15. Now it's happening right now. But also, every bear market there is a halftime decade bounce. So what we're seeing right now is a decade bounce right here. You will have a mean reversion for RSI for the momentum on 2 week to retouch this orange moving average. Okay, so what I like to see is this will be complete maybe I think this week. It should be no later than next week. So in the next 2 weeks, we will see this mean reversion, RSI retouch this orange moving average and complete the mean reversion, and then we'll continue the bear market, continue the second half of the bear market. Okay, and also pay attention, like this blue line is being dragged down. This is a really bad sign for the bulls in the next few months. Okay, yeah, so that's pretty much about the market right now. There's no much point to pay attention to on the rest because everything's follow Bitcoin. However, yeah, if we look at total market cap, I think we'll run all the way here. If anyone is using total market cap, I think this is what we should pay attention to. Maybe we'll go here or here. Anyways, this is the area that we're looking for. Maybe not. That would be a little bit too high, like 3.47 trillion, a little bit too high. Maybe here. You see, there's also some resistance right here above. Weekly have big resistance, so I think this is our next level. Okay, so yeah, that's from total market cap perspective. Okay, so let's moving on to Ethereum. So like what we said, let's see what we left from last week. So it successfully retouched 0.618. Okay, perfect. So I think now we can remove this Fibonacci as well. So eyes on the top of the parallel channel as well. And also I've been marked this golden pocket, golden square, which should be the target as well. Okay, right now I think, okay, so on the 3-day calendar channel, the inner upper band is within the golden square as well. So looking good. Everything is following our plan. Okay, so that's for Ethereum. I think it will just follow Bitcoin, so just be patient. Right now, AUS is a little bit left behind, but it's okay. And as for Chainlink, Chainlink is a little bit, the parallel channel is a little bit, strange, I would say, because it's not um, overlay, is not the target of this parallel channel is outside of the golden square, which kind of I'm a little bit worried it might not reach this golden square, but it's okay. If it doesn't reach, I'm fine with it. I will still sell at the top of the parallel channel. That wouldn't bother me, as long as as long as once Bitcoin reach 100K, I pretty much will sell all my long position. Okay, that's the plan. That's the plan. So again, let's remove the Fibonacci and remove the path. Okay, right now it retouches, and now is continue the second half of the rally. Okay, everything looking good. If we're looking at the 3-day counter channel, oh, okay, so it's already dropped outside of the golden square. So I think it's reasonable to consider we need to moving down this golden square a little bit. Okay, maybe make it a little bit closer to the parallel channel. So again, there is not really any trend line right here that you can draw. Yeah, this doesn't really work. There's nothing here. So yeah, look, just pretty much all you can do is focus on the parallel channel right now, whether it's Link or Ethereum. Does Ethereum have a parallel channel? No. Oh, it does have a parallel channel, sorry. I mean, it doesn't have a trend line. There's no trend line right here. Not much you can draw, really. Oh, okay, interesting. Oh, there's one right here, but it's already being used. I should have drawn this. I should have drew this last week, but I missed it. Yeah, I should have drew this last week. Okay, but this one is already gone. So yeah, okay, that's pretty much for this week. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, everyone stay safe. And if you want to follow more real time update, you guys can follow me on X.